Hi everybody. Standard 2 subject maths subject. Subject is maths. In this maths subject today we are going to learn the chapter number. Children, today we are going to learn the maths subject chapter number 10. Match the following. Okay, chapter number 10, money chapter. Match the following maths subject. Okay, come on, let's learn now. I am going to read the question here. First you listen carefully. See the question A. 5 rupees coin is given here. Then in question B, 20 rupees note is present. In question C, 1 rupee note is present. In question D, 2 20 rupees note, 1 10 rupees note and 1 2 rupees coin. Okay, then question E, 1 50 rupee note, 2 5 rupees coin, 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Okay, 50 rupees note, 2 5 rupee coin, 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Okay, for this now we are going to match the value in this side. Okay, shall we do it now? Look at this question. Question A, 5 rupee coin is given here. In this right hand side, where it is present 5 rupees, we need to add all the answers. First we need to add all the answers. Okay, then finally we can easily come to a conclusion. Okay, see the first question. 10 rupees 10 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. So totally how much? 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So here totally rupees 20 is present. Okay, come to this question. Rupees 50 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 1. Okay, now we are going to add all these rupees. 50 rupees plus 10 rupees, 60 rupees. 60 rupees plus 2, 62. 62 plus 1, 63. So here 63 rupees present. Okay, then come to this question. Rupees 20 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 2. Altogether how much? We need to check that, no? Rupees 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. So rupees 52 is present here. Okay, then come to the next one. Rupees 2 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 1. Altogether rupees how much? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So, listen here. In this answer, rupees 20, totally rupees 20 is present here. Here totally rupees 63 is present. Here rupees 52 is present. Here rupees 5 is present. Okay. Now we can easily match this now. Yes. Come to the first question. Rupees 5. Where is rupees 5 present? Yes, it is here. Okay. So rupees 5. Here also rupees 5. So we need to match these two. Okay. What is the question? A, no. So we need to write it here. A. Okay. For A question 5. For A question answer also 5. Next B question 20 rupees. Where is 20 rupees present? Here 20 rupees present. So here B. This question is B, no? So we need to write it here. Then come to the next one. Look at this rupee note. 1 rupee. Just only 1 rupee. Where it is present 1 rupee? 1 rupee is present here? No. So where it is present? It is here. Listen here carefully. These are note. Okay. This one coin. See paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise. Altogether how much? Rupees 1. Because see here 50 paise plus 50 paise is equal to 100 paise, no? 50 paise plus 50 paise totally 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So where is 1 rupee present? It is here. So we need to write this question here. Question C, no? So we need to write it here. Okay, student, 1 rupee. Here also this value also 1 rupee. 50 paise plus 50 paise totally 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So this value is equal to 1 rupee. So here also 1 rupee, here also 1 rupee. So we need to match it. Student. So come to the next one. D question. 20 rupees note, 20 rupees note. Here 10 rupees note, here 2 rupees. Totally 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. Okay, where is 52 present? Yes, it is here. It is here, 52. So, for this question, for this D question, answer is here, 52. Then, come to this E question, 50 rupees note. Here, 2 5 rupees coin. 2 rupees coin. Here 1 rupee coin. Altogether how much? 50 plus 5, 55. 50 plus 5, 60. 60 plus 2, 62. 62 plus 1, 63. Okay. Where is 63 present? Yes, it is here, 63. This value is equal to 63. So we need to write this question here. We need to match it, you know. For E question answer is present here. Okay, children.